How to create white flash transition. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline, and I want to create a white flash transition between them. Click on this button in Project Panel and select Color Matte. The default settings should match your sequence. Click OK. Now set a white color, then set a name for it, and click OK. Now drag Color Matte above your clips cut in timeline. With Color Matte selected, go to Effect Controls. Now move the playhead at the start, and set opacity to 0 and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the cut between clips and set opacity to 100 to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and set opacity to 0 to create the third keyframe. Now our effect is done, but let's consider an easy way to achieve this effect. First, delete the Color Matte layer, then go to Effects panel and search for Dip to White. Drag Dip to White effect in between your clips, and we have the same result. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.